Alright, so we are tearing into, or starting to dismantle the 69 Cobra jet. Tearing apart the door panels, trying to get the glass out. But whoever worked on this last decided it was a great idea to epoxy the glass into the channel. Awesome. So now we're going to try and give this a couple taps, try to get this to come loose without breaking the glass, which I don't think is going to happen, but we'll see. As you can see, we got a little bit of repairing to do. A couple patch panels to make, but all in all, it's a pretty solid door.